Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer website form submissions to Airtable with Tally step by step clearly. Start by creating a Tally form. Visit the Tally website and sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, select the option to create a new form. Add the fields you want for your form, including text inputs, checkboxes, and drop-downs. Customize your form's design and settings as needed. After you finish designing your form, click on the Share tab. Copy the form link provided in the sharing options. Next, head over to your Airtable account. Create a new base or open an existing one where you want to store the submissions. In your Airtable base, set up a table with appropriate columns that match your form fields. Now, return to Tally and navigate to the Integrations section. Find the option for Airtable and select it. Follow the prompts to connect your Airtable account to Tally. Choose the specific Airtable base and table where you want to send submissions. Map your Tally form fields to the corresponding Airtable columns. Once you've completed the mapping, save your configuration. Now that your form is set up, go back to the Tally editor. Test your form by filling it out and submitting a response. Check your Airtable base to ensure the response has been recorded. Congratulations! You have successfully linked your Tally form submissions to Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.